Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Aimbot. First, you need to download the Zen Aimbot software from a reliable source. After downloading, connect your Cronus Zen device to your computer using a micro USB cable. Make sure your gaming console is powered on and properly connected to the Cronus Zen. This initial setup is crucial for the software to recognize your device and begin the configuration process smoothly, ensuring a solid foundation for your enhanced gameplay experience. Once your device is connected, navigate to the Aimbot tab within the Zen Studio software. Here, you can adjust sensitivity settings to match your in-game preferences, typically between 50 and 100%. Fine-tune the aim assist strength, often ranging from 20 to 80% for optimal performance. You can also enable or disable features like sticky aim or target lock based on your personal playstyle, allowing for precise control over your aiming experience. Now let's explore some advanced features. You can configure recoil compensation and anti-recoil for improved accuracy, significantly reducing weapon kick. Utilize fire modifiers to automatically adjust firing rates for different weapons, giving you an edge. Experiment with profile switching to quickly change settings between various games or weapon loadouts. Also, adjust dead zone settings to eliminate minor stick drift and enhance overall precision, ensuring every shot counts. Finally, it's essential to test your aimbot settings in a private match or training ground to observe its effectiveness. Make small, incremental adjustments if the aim assist feels too strong or too weak, finding your perfect balance. If you encounter issues, consult online forums or the official Zen Aimbot community for common solutions. Always ensure your Cronus Zen firmware is updated to the latest version for compatibility and peak performance, keeping your setup running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.